In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute in Microsoft Teams. Muting your microphone in Teams is one of those simple features that makes a huge difference in your meetings. It helps cut down on background noise, keeps the focus on whoever is speaking, and avoids awkward moments where others can hear things you didn't mean to share. So let's walk through exactly how to do it, and I'll add a few tips along the way to make it feel natural and easy. First, open Microsoft Teams and join a meeting or start a call, because the mute option only shows up once you're in an active call. Once you're in the meeting window, look toward the bottom center or sometimes near the top of the screen, depending on your device and version. You'll see a small toolbar with a few icons such as the camera, microphone, screen sharing, and more. The key thing you're looking for is the microphone icon. When your microphone is currently on, this icon usually looks like a small microphone without a slash through it. To mute yourself, simply click or tap on that microphone icon. After you do this, it should change appearance. Most of the time, it will show a diagonal line through the microphone, and sometimes it may turn a different color, indicating that you are now muted. When you're muted, other people in the meeting cannot hear you, even if you speak or there is noise in your environment. This is really useful if you're in a noisy place, if someone else is presenting, or if you just need to cough, type, or talk to someone near you without disturbing the call. When you're ready to speak again, all you need to do is click the same microphone icon one more time. The slash should disappear, and that means your microphone is now active and everyone can hear you again. It's a good habit to quickly check that icon before you talk, just to make sure you're not still muted. As a quick tip, many versions of Teams also support keyboard shortcuts, which can make muting and unmuting even faster, especially if you're presenting or sharing your screen. It's worth checking the settings in your Teams app later to see which shortcuts are available on your device. And that's all there is to it. By simply clicking the mic icon during a meeting, you can easily mute and